Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So here you can see that this is my lipstick collection. This is going to be my lipstick collection video. I don't have too much collection like other big YouTubers, but I have a nice decent collection, small for a single person, but yeah, there are way too many lipsticks with me and I keep all these lipsticks here in boxes. And all these are my personal favorite lipsticks. I must say that I do not buy any lipstick just for the video purpose. I buy if I personally like the lipstick. So these are my personal favorite lipsticks and this is my whole collection also. And I have got all these lipsticks with my own money. So these are nothing sponsored or anything. These are all my own personal collection with my own money which I have purchased. So I keep all my lipsticks in this plastic box or tray you can say, and it has this cover also. So like this it goes into my drawer and I love keeping all my lipsticks in their original packaging. I feel that they remain safe and I feel very good about keeping all them in their original cases. So you can see the outer packaging intact in most of my lipsticks, and for some bigger packaging like color bar packaging I keep them separately in a separate box just because I love the packaging, outer packaging. See, I have kept each and every packaging I have got. But for the video sake, I will take out all the outer packaging because I want to show you all each and every shade which I own, and it will be very hectic for me to take each and every and then outer packaging and then show you. So I will take everything out and then show you the shade. So now starting with the first lipstick, then this is the first Huda Beauty lipstick. This is my first luxury purchase lipstick and it comes here with this two mini size lipsticks and one lip pencil. So this is my first one. I have a detailed review on this. If you want you can see the video. Then I have these three MAC lipsticks and these three are in the shade Captive. This is Whirl and this is the shade Russian Red. If you want to see, I can show you the shade. This is Russian Red. This is the shade Captive and this is the shade Whirl. And I have one more. So this is the shade Ruby Woo, which I highly love this lipstick. So these are my four matte MAC lipsticks, and other than that I have these three limited edition lipsticks from MAC. So 1, 2 and yeah, this one I have recently reviewed. All the three are on my channel. I have reviewed them all, so you can see the video now. So this is the My Glam K Play lipstick. It has the fragrance of melon in it. This was the specialty for this lipstick, but now the fragrance is gone. There is no fragrance in this. This is now just a regular lipstick, but the shade is too beautiful. I don't have any other shade like this. And here you can see that these are the three recently launched matte melt mini lipsticks by Lakme, and I love all these three lipsticks. Actually I just love this range. So I have a detailed review on my channel. You can see the video of this. This is the K by Katrina lip crayon in the shade Into Rage. This is the shade, and this is the Nykaa Wonder Puff lipstick. I do not like this. I do not use this and I do not like this. So now here these are the recently launched Lakme lip crayons. I have also a detailed review on this. You can see the video. Now this is my another favorite by Faces Canada. The shade is beautiful, the packaging and everything. I just love this. So this is my another favorite lipstick. Now this is the Maybelline Alice plus Olivia collection. This was a limited edition collection and this is the red shade. I have a detailed review on this. You can see. Now this is a very beautiful lipstick. This is from Revlon. Somehow I don't use it right now, but it's a very beautiful mix of 3 to 4 different colors. So I just love this lipstick. It's a very unique lipstick from Revlon. I don't know whether it's available now or not, but it's a very different unique lipstick. This is the Lakme 925 primer plus matte lipstick, and this is the shade I think Rosy Sunday, and it's so now one more favorite from mine. This is the Sugar Metal Matte lipstick, and this is a beautiful shade, beautiful packaging, and beautiful formula of this lipstick. So beautiful. This is the Lakme that aloe vera natural one, but somehow it has broken and now I don't use this, but I have kept this just for the packaging. This is the Nykaa that Luxe lipstick, and this is in the shade Retail Therapy. This is the lipstick. This is the Faces Go Chic lipstick, and I have got this for some of my Faces Faces Canada purchase. So I have not purchased this lipstick. This is a free gift. Now this is the Nykaa mini lipstick. I have got 2 of them. Yes, actually I have got 3 of them and I can't find the third one, but these are the 2 lipsticks. Actually, if I can see, I can find, but right now I can see only 2 of them. So these are the mini lipsticks from Nykaa. Then this is the Lakme limited edition lipstick. This is also a beautiful shade. I love this lipstick. Now this is from Colorbar, and this is also a free purchase, means free gift from my Colorbar purchase, and this is the Moonlight lipstick, I think. This is also the Colorbar lipstick, and this is in the shade Electric Red. I have used it so much. I just love this shade. You can see I have used it so much. So almost finished this Electric Red. This is also Colorbar lipstick. It's a very nice wintry shade, and the shade name is Mad Magenta. It's a very beautiful shade for winter. This is Lakme Absolute lipstick, and this is in the shade called Smooth Merlot. Yeah, Smooth Merlot. So this is the shade. I love this lipstick also. Very beautiful brick red shade. This is another favorite of mine from L'Oreal Rouge Magique. This is a brown shade. This is the only brown shade which I own. Now this one is also a very famous color show lipstick by Maybelline in the shade Chocolate. This is the lipstick. This is the MAC mini one in the shade Ruby Woo. Now these are my full size lipstick from Lakme Matte Melt collection, and I just love this collection. These lipsticks I just love this. So I just bought the mini versions also. I have 5 of them, and I just love this collection. Such a beautiful pigmentation and lipstick and formulation and everything. I just love this. Now the other lipstick which I love, so this is this by My Glam. This is in the shade High Voltage. This is the Butterlicious lipstick. It's a red lipstick and it's such a pretty shade. I just love this lipstick also. For most of the lipsticks I'm saying I love this, I actually love those lipsticks. Now this is the Colorbar one, and this is in the shade Sultry. This is also a very beautiful shade, beautiful lipstick. So now here comes my third lipstick from Nykaa, this mini lipstick what I was talking about, and this is the cult favorite Nude Nuance lipstick from Maybelline. This is the shade, and other Maybelline lipstick, this is the Midnight Date. This is also a very beautiful party wear shade. I love this shade also. And here is also this cult favorite lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice by Maybelline. This is the shade. So beautiful lipstick. And oh, I just love this. This is the Star Collection by L'Oreal. This is in the shade Frida, and this is such a beautiful red lipstick. I just love this lipstick, this red shade. And then this is also second L'Oreal lipstick, and this is the La Macaroon collection. This is a little not up to my shade. Now this is not a lipstick, but it's a lip balm from Forest Essentials. It's a luxurious lip balm, and I just love this also. This is in the shade Anar Ras, and I love this lip balm. I've kept it here, but it's very beautiful lip balm. This is the Sugar Matte as Hell in the shade Scarlet O'Hara. It's the cult favorite one. This is the Catsuit lipstick by Wet n Wild. This is also one of the cult favorite only, I can see. This is sugar lipstick, and it was a gift on free gift on some sugar purchases. I love the shade, but somehow it has broken, so I can't open this and show it to you all. These two are my Nykaa lipsticks, and I do not remember what they are said, but these are in the shade TGIF and Walk the Walk, and I have a detailed review on both these lipsticks on my channel. You can see that. video, and this is the Nykaa Demi Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade 09. Yes, it said. This is the another lipstick from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Dynamite Red. This is also a beautiful red shade lipstick. Now this is one from Faces, and I do not use this lipstick because this is the crayons, because it's too sparkly. At that time I purchasing, I did not realize that it's too sparkly, but somehow I bought this. This is the Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Cream, and I have used this too much and it's almost over. This is also the Revlon Color Burst. This is also almost over. These are some of my older purchases and these are almost finished. So now this is my favorite lipstick from Color Bar. This is the Lip Crayon Matte Me As I Am, and in the shade Devilry. I have shown this many times in many of my videos. I just love this one. Now these two are from Revlon. These are the HD gloss lipsticks, and these are my older purchases. This is also from Revlon only, and this is the shade. You can see beautiful shade, and I have used it quite a bit, so it's also almost over. Now this is in the shade Mauve It. This is a Maybelline lipstick, and I have also used this one also quite a bit. So I love this shade, everyday use shade. Now this is also a Maybelline lipstick only, and this is the shade Berry Bossy. It's a real berry shade, so beautiful berry shade lipstick for party wear and dark berry shade. Love this. And now these are my last 3-4 lipsticks. This is the Revlon lipstick, and this is the shade Red, but I do not use this lipstick because it's too deep for my skin tone. This is the Maybelline liquid lipstick, and I have a detailed review on this also, you can see on my channel. This is the Lakme Absolute Matte lipstick, I think it's said. This is the shade. I have a video on this also, and it's called Mauve Mania. This is the Color Bar lipstick, and it is a 2 for Tango. This shade name is. It's an orange lipstick. I normally do not use orange lipstick, but just I wanted to purchase one for myself. And this last one is Lakme Absolute 3D Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Plum Spell. So this is the lipstick Plum Spell. This is also a so beautiful shade. So I have shown you all my lipsticks. So this is all my collection. Hope you liked my collection and loved it, and you just loved this video also. And if you did like this, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and more exciting videos for more new launch products and everything. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.